Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope that you're doing well and that you are safe. How is your 2024 going on so far, my dear friends? I'm here to make it a little more exciting for you all and share the results of the giveaways that I had promised in my last webinar. I know it's a little late, but there is always a divine timing for everything. Won't you agree with me? So yes, two lucky winners get one-to-one private personalized 60 minutes of theta healing session with me, and three lucky winners get access to my 5 days paid Heal Your Life workshop with guided meditation, 10 hours recorded session, absolutely complimentary, free of charge, that you can watch anytime, my dear friends. Well, this is going to be pretty amazing. And before we move forward, let me give you some downloads that I'm open and ready to receive the divine gifts from the universe. I receive the gifts that are there for me in the universe with grace and gratitude in the highest, best, easy, and effortless manner. Thank you, Creator. Also, I find balance in giving and receiving. I find balance. I know what it feels like to have balance in all the areas of my life. I know the Creator's definition of balance in for all areas of my life. I know it's possible for me to have balance, and I do have balance for all areas of my life. If yes, type, say, or feel yes. Type yes in the comments if you want these downloads. All right, so are you ready to know the winners of the last session? So let me share my screen and let's play. Just give me 1 second over here. Okay. Just give me 1 second. All right, so I'll share my screen and let me announce the winners of one-to-one private healing session. Are you ready? I'm pretty excited to share the results with you. So the first winner is it's Antara Dalvi. Please, Antara Dalvi, reach out to me to claim your gift. Yeah, Antara Dalvi is the first winner. Let me remove the name and we will start once again with the second winner. Okay. Fingers crossed. Let's see who's the second winner of one-to-one session. Okay, amazing. So I have Maithili Savant. So Maithili Savant, if you're seeing this, Antara Dalvi, if you're seeing this, please reach out to me to claim your free gifts. Congratulations to you guys. Now let me share the names of the winners, three lucky winners who gets access to my 5 days paid Heal Your Life workshop, recorded session, of course, with guided meditation, 10 hours of content. Okay, so great. Let me just share my screen once again to announce the winners for the next set. This is exciting stuff, you know, so awesome. Let's play once again. Are you ready? Awesome. Let's play. Who's the first winner? Amazing. It's Denise Catherall. Please, Denise, reach out to me to claim your gift. And let me remove the name. Second winner is it's Manisha Thakur. Congratulations. Manisha, reach out to me to claim your free gift. Next and the last winner. Let's see. Awesome. Varuna Mehta. Pretty exciting stuff, isn't it? So yes, winners, please reach out to us. Congratulations, a big congratulations to all the winners. Please get back to us within about 10 to 15 days to claim your free gifts and free giveaways. Those who have not won, or if you're not a part of the contest that I rolled out last time, don't worry. I still have some amazing stuff to share with you. Let me share my screen and let me tell you, I still have some amazing, offers going on that you can still use to to heal your life, to find results, to find manifestations, and manifest what you want. So I have some great offers to share with you as well, if you just watch this for another 2 minutes. So yes, generally my charges that you see on your screen is $150 or 11,111 rupees in Indian currency. However, the offer that I wanted to share is, if you want to really, if you're serious about your life, healing your life and manifest your goals, and you have been a part of my contact list and you may have attended some of the other sessions. So I want to give you this special offer that is in $277.77 US dollars, or Indian rupees 21,111 rupees. You pay for two 90 minutes sessions and you get one 90-minute session absolutely complimentary from my side, my dear friends. That means, you per session would be about $92.59 in USD, and it's about 7 grand and some change in Indian rupees. So if you really want to heal your life and manifest, what you want in your life and let go of things that does not serve you, this is the right time for you. Not much time has passed by for 2024. You still have a lot of time in order to heal and manifest your goals. So please don't let this offer go away. This is only valid till the end of February 2024, my dear friends. Okay, so please take benefit of this offer. Somebody who cannot pay for that money in one go, I still have some very good stuff for you. Like I said, my per session charges are $150, the one you see on your screen. But if you enroll within the month of February, I'll still give you per session at $122.22, or Indian rupees 9,555 rupees. So please, you can take the benefit of this offer. Take action towards your goals, my dear friends. This is the most important part of manifesting your goals and healing your life. You will not have your goals or healing coming to your door, ringing the bell, and you'll achieve what you want right away. You have to take some obvious actions in order to heal and manifest your life, my dear friends. Okay, take actions that will help you to heal your life, and take help if you want, my dear friends, right? Remember, if you don't ask, the answer will always be no, as says one of my role model, Mr. Jack Canfield. I'm going to share some of the important links as well in this video and in the caption. Please do read out. And I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for watching, and congratulations to all the winners. Once again, reach out to me to claim your free gifts, my dear friends. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Have a great time. Bye-bye.